In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to an EC2 instance in AWS in just 5 minutes. Alright, let's jump right in. First things first, you want to open up your preferred internet browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whatever you're comfortable with is fine. In the search bar, type in AWS and hit enter. You'll be looking for the official Amazon Web Services website, which should be the first result that pops up in your list. Once the AWS homepage loads, you'll need to sign into your account. If you're not signed up yet, you'll need to create an account, but for the sake of this video, we'll assume you're ready to go. So click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials, which will typically be your email address and password. Make sure these details are correct to avoid any hassle logging in. Now that you're successfully signed into AWS, the next step is to head over to the EC2 console. You can do this by using the search bar at the top of the AWS dashboard. Simply type EC2 and select the EC2 service when it appears in the drop-down list. This will direct you to the EC2 dashboard, which is the hub for managing all your compute instances. Here, you'll see a list of all your existing instances. You'll want to locate the specific instance you need to connect to. Once you've found your instance in the list, click on it to highlight and select it. With your instance selected, you'll notice a Connect button somewhere near the top of the page. Go ahead and click on this button. A new window, or pop-up, will appear with different options for connecting to your instance. In this pop-up window, you'll see a few tabs. Make sure you select the one labeled EC2 Instance Connect. Now, under the EC2 Instance Connect tab, you'll be prompted to specify a username. For most AWS instances, the default username is EC2 User, but be sure to adjust it if your instance was configured with a different username. After specifying the username, you're ready for the final step. Simply click the Connect button. If everything has been set up correctly, a browser-based terminal should open up. This terminal connects directly to your instance, allowing you to interact with it just like you would with any other command line interface. And there you have it, a straightforward and efficient way to connect to your EC2 instance using AWS. With these steps, you should be able to access your instances quickly and perform whatever tasks or management activities you need. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Happy computing!